How to delete your posts on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your posts on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app. Once you are there, click on me at the bottom to go to your profile. Once you are on your profile, click on the video you want to delete and click on those 3 points at the bottom, and you're gonna find the second list, which is this one, and scroll over until you find delete. Click on it. Once you click on delete, they automatically or permanently delete this post, and click on delete. Like you see, I have no posts now on my profile. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.